Hello guys, welcome to Become a Techie YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can group and ungroup the data. So in older videos, in my previous videos, you guys have already seen how we can hide a particular column and unhide it if we do not want to show a particular column. So we have used a hide option in previous videos, but now we are going to see an alternative for it, that is group. Okay, grouping or group to group particular column. Okay, so it can be used with a single column or with multiple columns. So this is the beauty of it. Whereas hide also we can use, but hide, I don't think it is very good, but in group you will see that it provides an interface also. So let's get started. So first of all, select a particular column that you want to group or hide, and right now I have selected column A. Then go to data tab, and here you can see at the very right side of your interface of your Excel worksheet, you can see there is an outline area here, and then there you have group option. So it will group your column. Okay, so just click on it and you can see it is grouped now. So here you can see line is appearing, and if you click on the minus sign, it gets hidden, right? So this is how it is hidden. And if you click on the plus sign, it again appears. So using this plus sign, because of this plus sign, you get to understand, you get to know that there is a option to, some kind of data is hidden here. You get to know that, and when you click on plus, it appears for you. So this is how you can this is very interactive. Instead of hide, this is very interactive, and that is why it is very useful. Okay, and if you click on this, so you will get something like this. Okay, and if you click on plus, you will get something. Now if I want to do it with two columns, so I am selecting two columns here, and then again I'm clicking on group. So you will see two lines are there. One is for only for a column, and the other is for both the columns. So now you can see only product, quantity, unit price, and total price. This much data is only visible to the user. So this is how we can restrict the user to, we can display only the information that we want, and if somebody is interested to know more information, only then he'll click on the plus icon and he'll get to see more information. So this is how we are grouping the data and restricting the user to display additional information. So this is how it works. And again, if you want to ungroup, just select the column that you want to ungroup and go here and click on ungroup. So now you can see column A, grouping for column A is removed. Only for column A and B together grouping we have with us right now. And similarly, if you want to ungroup both of them, just go here and click on ungroup. So now we have ungrouped the data, and it is as it was previously. So this is how grouping and ungrouping works. It is very useful in case of large set of data. When we are working with larger sets of data, it is very useful because we have multiple rows, multiple columns at that time, and that time grouping, sorting, these kind of operations become really useful. So this is all about today's video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. That's it.